Every day, people spend money, save money, borrow money, and worry about money. But here's the surprising part. Most people use money every single day without fully understanding how it actually works. And when you understand the rules of money, you start making smarter financial decisions. Today, we're breaking down how money works, the simple explanation so you can understand one of the most important systems in your life. Let's get started. At its core, money is simply a tool, that's it. Money helps people exchange value. Long ago, people traded goods directly. A farmer might trade eggs for bread. A fisherman might trade fish for vegetables, but barter had a problem. Both people needed to want what the other person had. Money solved this problem. Instead of trading products directly, people could use a common medium of exchange. That's one of the first lessons in how money works, the simple explanation. Money makes trade easier. Have you ever wondered why a piece of paper can buy food, clothes, or electronics? The answer is trust. Money works because people collectively agree it has value. When you accept money, you trust that someone else will accept it later. Governments, banks, businesses, and consumers all participate in this system. Without trust, money wouldn't function effectively. This simple idea powers entire economies. Most people earn money by providing value. Employees provide skills and labor. Businesses provide products and services. Freelancers solve problems. Entrepreneurs create solutions. In simple terms, money often follows value. The more useful your skills are to others, the greater your earning potential may become. This is a key part of how money works, the simple explanation. Money flows through the economy as people exchange value with one another. Here's where many people get confused. Making money and building wealth are not the same thing. Someone can earn a high income and still struggle financially. Another person can earn less and steadily build wealth. Why? Because what matters isn't only how much money comes in, it's also how much stays. Saving, budgeting, managing expenses, investing. These habits often determine long-term financial outcomes. Banks play an important role in how money moves through the economy. People deposit money. Banks hold those deposits. Banks also lend money to borrowers. Those loans help fund businesses, homes, education, and other activities. Banks act as financial intermediaries. They help money move from savers to borrowers. Understanding this helps make sense of how the broader financial system operates. And it's another important part of how money works, the simple explanation. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. We post weekly videos covering personal finance, investing, wealth building, and practical money lessons designed to help you make smarter financial decisions. Now let's talk about something that quietly affects everyone's money. Inflation means prices generally rise over time. You've probably noticed this already. Things often cost more today than they did years ago. This matters because money can lose purchasing power. In simple terms, the same amount of money may buy fewer things in the future. That's one reason people focus on saving and investing, because many financial strategies aim to help money grow faster than inflation. Understanding inflation is essential when learning how money works, the simple explanation. Now let's connect everything together. Wealth is often built by owning assets. Assets can include investments, businesses, real estate, intellectual property, and other income-producing resources. These assets may generate income, increase in value, or both. Over time, this can create financial growth beyond earned income alone. That's why many financially successful people focus not only on earning money but also on owning assets, because assets can continue working long after the initial effort. So let's recap how money works, the simple explanation. Money is a tool for exchanging value. It works because people trust it. People earn money by providing value. Keeping money is different from earning it. Banks help money move through the economy. Inflation affects purchasing power. And wealth is often built through owning assets. Once you understand these basic principles, financial decisions start making much more sense. And in the next video, we'll reveal the biggest money myths that millions of people still believe, and how those myths may be quietly holding them back financially. You won't want to miss it.